Welcome to our channel once again, friends. If it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know when we post new videos. On this channel, Guyanese Guyana, we do tutorials on Guyanese food, Guyanese recipes, authentic Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on chicken curry, northern chicken curry. Everybody loves chicken curry and it's a popular dish in Guyana. Goes with everything almost. And today we're going to show you all the steps in getting a very nice, tasty, authentic Guyanese curry. So for that, we have our ingredients laid out there. We're going to be using a whole chicken today, and our chicken is 3.5 pounds. So the ingredients that we have here can also be used the same amount of the other ingredients we're going to use. Can also be used for a slightly larger chicken, say 4 pounds, or a 3-pound chicken as well. If you're going to use bigger than 4-pound chicken, you can increase the ingredients by just a little bit. You can just average that. But we're going to be using some, of course, as usual for curries, we're going to be using some curry powder, roasted ground geera, garam masala, scallion, celery, broadleaf thyme, onion, garlic, pepper. Potato, we're going to be adding potatoes to this curry. Potatoes goes very nice in chicken curry. Salt to taste, and that's about it. As with all of our tutorials, recipes, we're going to be listing all the ingredients with measurements in the description box. So check below there for those. So having said that, guys, let's get started. So first, Molly is going to get our garlic ready. So that's it. She cut up the celery in here as well. And this is our broadleaf thyme, which is also called puddina. Goes very nice in curries. So the best thing I like to have my chicken curry with, guys, is oil roti. That's so good. So we usually remove the skin from our chicken. Now some people like to leave the skin on, some people like to leave some of the skin on. You can do whatever you usually do. So these are the sizes we like for our curry. I know some people like bigger sizes. So we got our chicken all cut up, and first we're just gonna wash it off a bit with just water. And then after we're gonna wash it with some vinegar, some just regular white vinegar added to the water. So there's a 2-step washing here. So we finished the first step of washing. So now we're gonna add some vinegar and wash again. About that much. Alright, so now we have everything ready. We have our stuff pounded in the mortar, all done. Chicken is all washed, and these are all cut up. So first of all, we have to make our curry paste. So that's the curry powder, roasted ground geera, and garam masala. To this we're going to add some water. And also the stuff that we grounded in the mortar. So which was the garlic, celery, pepper, and the broadleaf thyme, puddina, which we had grounded in the mortar. So that's, we're adding that to the powders. That's just water. And that's it, that's our curry paste. So we've put some oil to heat here. So our oil is hot and we're ready to go. So the first thing we're going to add here is our onions. And we're just going to fry this for a little bit at first. So this here, guys, is just a personal preference. You can add this with your curry paste at the same time if you like to. So our onion has fried for about a half a minute or so. And that's our curry paste. So once you add your curry paste, you want to cook this for about 2 minutes. And you want to turn frequently because it will burn if you don't turn it frequently. So in this way now, what you're doing here is you're releasing all the aromas from the curry powder, garam masala, geera, the onions, and everything mixed in there, which is going to give that wonderful flavor to your curry. So our 2 minutes is up, guys. We can add our chicken now. So now you want to turn it very well and mix all the masala into the chicken. You want the chicken to be coated well. So the first step was chunking the masala. This step here now is called Bunjal. So this is what Bunjal is. Bunjal can be the first part of a curry, or it can be the ending part of a Bunjal dish, Bunjal dish, which is a dry long curry. So in this state here now, it's going to release the juices from the chicken, and then we're going to let it evaporate into a Bunjal state, and then we're going to add water. So we're now going to add some salt to taste. So once you've added your chicken there and you've coated it thoroughly with the curry paste, you want to cover it and let it release its juices and then evaporate again. So we're going to cover this now and let it cook. Let it release its juices. So our curry is bubbling away, can you hear that? So we're gonna make a turn now. As you can see, it has released its juices and it started to evaporate already. So what you want to do now is wait until most of this water is evaporated. So right now we're going to add our potatoes. We haven't added that as yet. We also haven't added the scallions as yet. Still over there. So what do you like to have your chicken curry with? Roti or rice? Comment down below and let us know. So we're going to cover this back now and let it evaporate some more. Alright my friends, our curry should evaporate some more. Let's see if it's ready. So a lot of the juices are gone. Alright, so now we're going to add the water. This is dry long enough. So we're going to add some water. So we're going to add our scallion now, which we left for later. Now is the time you're going to add your scallion. So that's at the same time you're going to add your water, right? So now we're going to add a little bit more water. That should be enough to cook this until it's done. So all of our ingredients are in there now. The scallion was the last thing that we added, which we just did. So now we're going to add 2 very peppers and we're going to leave those whole. As I said, these are hot peppers, so if you don't use hot peppers, don't use them. And this curry is looking very delicious already. So we're going to cover this back now and let it cook. Alright my friends, so it's been about 5-6 minutes after we added the water, the last set of water. And our curry should be done now. So here it is, look at that guys. Doesn't that look delicious? That is real authentic Guyanese chicken curry, right there. So that's it. So now the amount of water that you're going to finish your curry off with, like we did here, it may seem like a lot to some people. You know, some people may comment that it's, you know, a long water curry or whatever they comment. But don't worry about those people, they don't know what they're talking about. It's piping hot now, and this gravy is going to reduce once we get cold. It's going to be what, half of what it is. And if you should leave it with less than it is right now, then at the end when this cools off and maybe you're going to reheat it or whatever, you won't have any gravy at all. So this is the perfect amount of gravy to finish your curry with. And that's it there guys. Traditional, authentic Guyanese curry. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do now. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Please check out our many other videos, Guyanese cooking tutorials on our channel, and see you in our next video. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.